I use team-based learning because I think it allows our students to really think deeply about real-world situations, and also because it is one of the most rewarding teaching methods that I've used as an instructor. When I first started teaching, it felt like we were pulling teeth at times to engage learners in conversation. I was introduced to team-based learning, and what I noticed was this buzz in the classroom. Every student comes to class ready to engage. The questions are written in a way to generate debate. Students are asked to engage in either 30 to 60 minutes of pre-work. In the 24 hours before class, they take an individual quiz. When they come to class, they actually take that same quiz again as a team. The intent with team-based learning is that the exercise is too hard for any one student to really solve on their own. Using TBL has definitely changed the way I think of myself as an instructor. I am there to help guide the class to the right answer instead of giving them the right answers. Kiss those crickets goodbye in the classroom. Once you get the hang of it, it's really rewarding.